Hi, my name is Dr. Maxwell. I'm with Haji here at Natural Healings. He's very polite and generous enough to allow us to videotape or record his adjustment experience for his friends and family back home. All right, so you guys are going to witness his nervous system and his spine being balanced and turned on. All right, so Haji, ready?
Ready.
All right, let's go ahead and lie face down. You can change your angle right over here. So you can get low. So your arms drop down to the ground. Drop down. I got you. Good. On the other side.
Really? Just for a moment.
Good. How'd it feel?
Good.
Alright, so we made a noise called a cavitation. So nothing's breaking, ripping, or tearing. That's a sound of gas being released from the joint. This side up, please. Howdy. Face me. So we're adjusting his lower spine right now, doing his sacrum and his lower back, getting him on his side. Okay, he's relaxed and balanced. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. We'll work with him. Good. On your back, please. Face up. This top bone, C1, we're going to realign this. Chin up. Good. Bring your head to right. Give him a big hug, please. There we go. Lots of music there, right? Face the other way.
Oh, it just cracked.
Yeah. That's a start. Alright. Alright. So like to say your power is on. And that's the adjustment.
Nice posture. Thank you, Doc.
You're very welcome. Thank you.